This is an example of an inference for two population means problem from Homework Quiz 7, number 35. The first thing we're going to do is open up the JMP file. And this is the data we see when we open up the bond funds JMP file on Polylearn. From here, we are going to analyze the data using a fit Y by X model. We select return as the Y response and bond as the X. From here, we click on the hotspot, go to display options, select box plots, mean lines, points jittered, and histograms. Next, we're going to click on the hotspot again, go down to densities, and then select compare densities. We're also going to hit on the hotspot again and select means and standard deviation. Now we're going to go back to our data set and use a distribution model to get the p-values for normality. Again, we're going to select return as the Y, and we're going to use bond in the by. The first thing we're going to do is stack the data. And now we're going to click on each hotspot, go to continuous fit, and select normal. Next, we're going to click on the fitted normal hotspot and select goodness of fit for both. This gives us our p-values seen right here for the first one and down here for the second one. Both of these p-values are above the significance level of 0.05, which shows us that they are large enough to show a normal distribution. Next, we're going to test for unequal variance. So we go back to the fit Y by X output, select hotspot, and click on unequal variances. In this output, we look at the p-value from the Levine row. The small p-value for the test of unequal variance allows us to reject the null and conclude that the standard deviation of the return on municipal bonds is different from the standard deviation of taxable bonds. The visualizations confirm this observation, and we assume the variances are different.